a throw I'm working on. It was a kit. I bought it for a gift for somebody, and this is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. So I just wanted to show you guys that it's not finished being pieced together, but I'm still working on it. I just haven't been spending all my time on it. I've been trying to get this done, and then I'll try to get it finished, but I just wanted to show you that it's kits are kind of nice. You have all the material provided for you. You don't have to figure anything out material wise. They give it all to you in the kit, and then you piece it together and quilt it. So it's fairly simple. The instructions on this one's a little bit confusing for a new learner. Even for me, the instructions aren't real clear on it, but just taking your time and figuring it out, you can get it done. So I'm still working on this. Also, people have been asking me what size hoops that I use. I use various sizes, and I also did a video on hoops early on. So if you have any other questions about hoops, I show you all the hoops that I use, the different variations. It's all a preference, whatever you like yourself, what's easier for you to work with. This is an 18-inch hoop. I buy them at various quilt shops. I bought these online, actually, at Amazon, this one here. So it's all really a preference, whatever's more comfortable for you. So just buy what you like and are more comfortable with using. You can get bigger hoops. There's a couple versions that are a little smaller. The 18-inch seems to be a decent size. It's not too big or bulky, but like I said, it's up to you. So just try what you're most comfortable with. Take a hoop and hold it in your hand and see if you can manage it. If you think it's too big, get the next size smaller. If you think you want a little bit bigger one, so you have a little bit more room to quilt on, you can do that. So it's up to you. Also wanted to show you, in the plain spaces, I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see because I didn't draw them in, but I did little hearts there. You can see it a little bit. So when you have more open space, you can add whatever little characters that you like, hearts or whatever, whatever you like. So you could do striping or whatever. If you have tiny little stencils that you want to stencil in there just to make it more full of quilting, you can do that. So it's all up to you. It's your preference. So I just wanted to let you talk about that a little bit. And here I am working on the rest of the border. I'm getting close to being done. I just have about this much left, if you can see it. So where the pins are, that's pretty much all I have left to do. And then what's in here. So get close to being done, and then I'm going to put the binding on it, and I'll show you that again. I did a couple videos on binding already, so if you want to look back and check those out, or if you don't like the way I do binding, you can check other videos out too. I mean, there's other videos out there too, but it's there's a couple ways of doing binding, so it's all in what you're more comfortable with doing. So there's always more than one way to do things. I just figured I show you how I do them, and if you want to follow on that, you can. So I'm just going to go around this little butterfly. What's nice about a hoop is you can turn it the way you're working, and just makes it a little bit easier to go around objects. I didn't have a video last week because I was busy and had other things I was doing. It was springtime starting here, and I was outside doing some things, so I didn't get a video done last week. I'll try. Summertime's a little harder because there's more things, you know, going on. So I may not always get a video out each week in the summertime. Okay. Have a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more objects. And then if I add a few more myself, which I probably will. Okay, we're gonna end the video here. It's 12 minutes and I'm gonna keep working, and you guys keep working on your projects. Keep quilting, have fun doing it, and we'll talk to you later.